Meaning of FD.
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 FD. FD can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it's used. In finance, FD often stands for fixed deposit, a type of investment where an individual deposits a fixed amount of money for a predetermined period to earn interest. In computer science, FD can stand for functional dependency, a concept that helps in database design. Other possible meanings of FD may include fire department, fluorescent dye, or food delivery. Without further context, it's difficult to determine the intended meaning of FD.